What's up, guys? It's Bryan Ingham with Ingham Realty. Welcome to another episode of Enjoy Living in North Idaho, where I talk about and show you all of North Idaho. And today I'm going to highlight one of the events here, as I have in the past. I'm going to show you the Coeur d'Alene Car Show in downtown Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. So let's jump right into it, shall we? Coeur d'Alene is a car show downtown Coeur d'Alene that happens every year. This is actually the 34th annual, and it's always on Father's Day weekend on Friday night and all day Saturday. This is a very popular car show in which the whole town participates. There's people everywhere lining the streets to see all these beautiful old cars. In fact, they have over 1,000 cars 1980 and older. And because it's Father's Day weekend, there are a ton of families out here. It's a very family-friendly environment. Friday evening, they close off the streets of downtown and several other streets, and downtown is just filled with people all over the sidewalks, and then they bring this parade of cars through. Like I said, there's like 1,000 cars 1980 and older, and these cars just go for a nice little cruising down the road, and you have all these roaring engines, and sometimes you got some flames shooting out of the pipes. I even saw a bouncing car while they were bouncing some people. It was pretty cool. You have a lot of nice restaurants in downtown Coeur d'Alene with patio seating, so a lot of people just hanging out, having a delicious beverage and some food, watching the show. You also have a lot of condos downtown where people can just hang out on their balconies and enjoy events just like this, and you can too if you give me a call. Then on Saturday, you have the show and shine. So the streets are still closed, and you have all these beautiful cars parked all over the place with their hoods open, showing off their engines, showing off their awesome cars, so you can get an up-close look and peek of all these beauties. The streets are again filled with people and families just soaking up the sun with the beautiful lake backdrop in the background. It's a pretty awesome show. My family loves to hang out on a nice, beautiful downtown Coeur d'Alene day, get some ice cream, and just walk around and just enjoy the beauty. They also have a car auction right there, which is pretty cool. I've seen some beautiful cars going for auction and selling at really good prices, and maybe buy one of those in the future, or you can too. I'm going to show you some more highlights from the car show in a minute, but first, if you guys are thinking about moving to North Idaho or Coeur d'Alene or any of these beautiful places, please give me a call, send me a text or email. Love to answer any questions that you have. I've been helping people buy and sell real estate for over 20 years now, and I would just love to guide you. Enjoy the show. So what do you guys think? Does Coeur d'Alene look like a pretty cool place to live? You should at least come visit and check out some of these events. If you guys like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. That way you'll be notified of all my new videos when they come out, showcasing the whole area of North Idaho. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.